Hey Tech Timers, this is Andre of Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews, where I review cool tech and everyday products that will make your lives a little bit easier. And today I am coming to you live with no jive as I unbox two groovy products that may just make you want to jump up and say, that's the way, I like it. Can you dig it? So before I get down to the nitty gritty, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell all below. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of the Amazon mystery box. This is going to require the Tech Time tool. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Yowza! Okay. See what we have here. I usually don't do unboxing videos, but I want to see what we've got here. Two really groovy products. This is the Bellafoo TENS unit. Let's start with that. We're going to put this off to the side for a moment. Let's get rid of the boxing materials. Cut this open. Yowza! Okay, almost there. Get all the wrapping off. And this is groovy because it is one of those digital units that you can use when you have pain and you want to strap this on to alleviate all of that pain. So this is everything that's in the box. We've got the TENS unit itself. We've got the manual, warranty card. Let's see, just some information. We've got the connectors to the pads that you just place on, let's say, your muscle spasms or what have you. Pain sites, and you've got the USB. That's USB-A to micro. So not bad. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box because I'm gonna give you a full review after I've used this. So let's box this up. Oh, one other thing, carrying case. Okay, moving on. Okay, Tech Timers, so this is the latest smartwatch by Umidigi. It is the Uwatch 2S. In this box. Now let's go ahead and get this open. Tech Time tool again. Yowza. And another Yowza. Let's get it out. Brand new. And this is white. Let's pull it out. See what we've got in here. Excuse me. We've got the watch here with a nice white band. I think I need something to drink. Okay. There's the watch. Beautiful. Look at that band. Oops, just got some dirt on it. The box may be a little dirty, but that's okay. Nice looking watch. Kind of like a dark metal. We've got the manual. Thank you card from Umidigi. Got the charging cable. And let's go ahead and get this open. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be the standard charging cable that comes with my two previous Umidigi smartwatches, and yes it is. Proprietary, that goes to the watch, USB-A. So, if you see my previous video, one of my previous videos, then you know about this watch. This is the Umidigi Uwatch 2. This is the brand new improved version, the Umidigi Uwatch 2S. And look at that. Can't wait to get this set up and get it all, get some info in it. It's got a 70% charge in it. So what is the difference between the brand new 2S and the 2? Well, what I'm gonna do is use this for a few days, and I'm gonna make a video and let you know exactly what I think. Okay, Tech Timers, so that concludes the unboxing of these two brand new products that I can't wait to get a move on and get a groove on. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said this was the Bellafoo TENS unit, and if you look at the box, it says Uthlusty. And I actually didn't make a mistake. Uthlusty is a subsidiary of Belifu, and I really like dealing with this company, but we'll talk about that in the next video. I'm going to make a video after using this for about a week, and then I will also make a video on the new Umidigi Uwatch 2S. Can't wait to strap this on, get it all set up, and get it in use. So I want to thank you for hanging out with me here on Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews. I can't wait to get out those two videos for you. Enough said. Keep on trucking, and I will catch you on the flip side in my next video. Now, can you dig that?